Hey guys, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I decided to film how to make thumbnails using your iPhone. Apps that I really recommend. They're like super easy and quick to make your own thumbnail. I try to create thumbnails using my laptop, which is editing. I think it's called Phonto or something like that. My brother actually downloaded it for me so I can like edit my videos and my thumbnails, but it was kind of hard, so I just stick with iMovie instead. And then the thumbnails, I just use these apps because they're super easy, super convenient for me. It's free, so there is no cost. I think it will be great for you guys. And also just gonna show you a little techniques how to work with it and all that. I really hope that you guys enjoy this type of video. I'm not gonna be showing my face, so it's just me recording for a little bit, and then after that I'm just gonna be showing you mainly my phone, how to create thumbnails and step by step and all that, just to give you an idea how to use the app. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button if you like. That is pretty much it, guys, so let's just get started with the video. The next app I'm going to show you is PicMonkey, which is this app right here. The other go-to app like to create my thumbnails. I really like their little animated pictures. They're fun. It's really fun and easy app to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and click blank canvas. Now it gives you this blank canvas right here. If you go ahead and click on the bottom left, which it says size, and there's patterns and there's background, well, first you need to find the right size for your thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the size. Now here it gives you all the size for social media, YouTube. It gives you Facebook, squares, gives you Facebook post, profile picture, personal cover, page cover, story. Then have Pinterest. So you're gonna hit the thumbnail YouTube, which is already done. You're gonna hit the arrow on the right top corner. You're gonna hit done. You can do colors, you can do whatever you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do background. I'm gonna go ahead and pick totally. So I'm gonna hit, you can pick your background's color you like. If you don't like none of these colors, you can go hit the plus, and here you have all the colors. You can adjust it, the wheel, the hex, the RGB, but I just want a plain simple color, so I'm gonna hit next to start the next project. And now I'm gonna go ahead, you can do effects, adjust, crops, touch up, cut out, text, graphics, and draw. Go ahead and hit text, and then I'm gonna put for text I will do like a thumbnail tutorial, and then I'm gonna go ahead, hit the click on the done, and then hit font, and then you can pick your text, whatever you like. I think I just wanted something to pop up a little bit to stand out, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick. They have so many fonts, guys. I think I'm gonna do with this one. I like this text, so I'm gonna do click on the curve. You can adjust your the curve of your text if you want to like this or like that. I don't know, it's up to you how you want to do it. I think I'll just keep it to 25 for now, and then I'll try to adjust it later. You can do shadows, you can do colors if you want for your shadows, but I just want to keep a white shadow, like a graphic. So I'm gonna hit graphic, and I'm probably gonna do like an image. Lucky has a cutout as well, so you can use that, so I'll just use this instead. Gonna adjust that. Now after this done, I'm gonna go ahead and click the little spooky on the left bottom corner. Then gonna go ahead and grab the phone, You can adjust that with your fingers. I think this will do it. It give you the shapes or whatever you want to use. Here you got designs. It's something you want to use. I think I'll use these. Creative, guys, but I think this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna add another one of these like black splashes. I'm gonna go ahead and get another one. Just do it here. And then I'll probably do like a white one just to like stand out a little bit. Gonna go ahead and do that white one. I do want it to stand out a little bit. And then you can add more like graphic images, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the splatters. Click on my font, and I'm gonna try to make it a little bit bigger just so it can stand out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move that just a little bit so my phone can be like right in the middle. So thumbnail tutorial, so there you go. You can add more stuff, but I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. So for the thumbnail, I'm gonna go to shadows, and I'm gonna try to adjust it just so it can stand out a little bit. I'm gonna hit the arrow, and pretty much it. So I'm just gonna keep it like that, but that's how you do it. If you are done, you're just gonna hit save button, and then you're gonna go ahead on the bottom left corner, you're gonna hit camera roll, so it can go to your camera roll. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut like just your self image. So I'm gonna edit this picture. Okay, this is from last year. So I'm gonna hit the edit button, and then on the bottom it gives you crop, adjust. You're gonna go ahead and do manual, and then here is erase, and here's restore. So obviously right now I'm gonna use the erase to erase everything. So you're just gonna erase the background. And of course it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I'm not perfect at this, but you can also adjust the length of your eraser. So that's what I'm gonna do, adjust it, because this is gonna be hard. And just gonna keep going. Okay, and now this is the harder part when it gets to your face. I'll fix it in a bit. I just want to show you like how to do a cutout. So now you're gonna hit restore. I do want my pen to be a little bit smaller. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and restore. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So I think I'm just gonna stick with this. You know my point of this. So you're gonna hit the check mark on the top right corner, and then there you go. You're gonna hit save. The next app I'm going to show you guys is Phonto. Phonto is one of my go-to apps. It's such an easy app to use, and it's a great app. I have no problems whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the middle camera roll. And then here you have camera, photo albums, plain image projects. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plain image. And then here you have all your images. You have a black image, white. So I'm going to start with the white because I want it to be all blank. And then going to go ahead in the middle and adjust the image size. So I'm going to click on the custom, and I'm going to go ahead and type in 1280, and then the bottom 720. Just remember the size. Those are the right dimension for your YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the done. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and add colors. The first empty box, I'm gonna add like more like a pink tone, and then you can stick with one color, but I do want to add multiple colors. So for the second empty, I'm gonna go ahead and add like a probably a yellow, so it can give that really nice effect ombre. And I'm going to go ahead and add a purple, and then think I'm gonna add one last color. I think I'm gonna add a blue, so you have all these beautiful like a cotton candy vibe colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with that, but you can stick with one. And then the bottom, it gives you like patterns. You can pick the patterns they have, but I like to create my own colors. And then you can adjust like the color of your background, make it darker, lighter if you want, but I'm just gonna stick with the background I have. But it's up to you how you guys want to create it. And then on the top right, I'm gonna click apply, and now that I have my background, I'm gonna go ahead and click the top right arrow box, and this will definitely direct me to if I want to save it, use it, or use it and save it. But I'm going to go ahead and say use it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the background and click on add text. And then for text, I am going to add how to make thumbnails. And I'm going to go ahead and enter and type in thumbnails. And then I'm going to go ahead and align it to the center by the font present symbol and done. So I'm going to hit font and pick the right font for my text. But they have so many fonts and they're all free. You don't have to pay any fee for it. So that's why I love Phonto. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the right font for my text. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this text, single it regular, and then I'm gonna put it on the top left corner. And then here it gives you text size, font, tilt, style, move. So I'm gonna go ahead and size the text to the right for my thumbnail. Click on the style, and then you can like edit the text. You can add strokes, background, but obviously I'm not going to add background, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the stroke, and then I'm going to go ahead and give a little pop-up for the stroke, at least like a black or something. So that's what I'm mainly going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that, and then I'm going to bottom, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the width just so it can give that very nice effect of my text. And I feel like with this will definitely give a little nice, like more like a pop-up, but it will be like more noticeable for my text. Then you can add colors if you want. It's all up to you if you guys want to add that. But I'm just gonna stick with black because I feel like I have so much colors going on with my background. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the width of my stroke. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just try to make it more like stand out. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a shadow width for my text. And yes, I am gonna keep it black as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just continue adjusting that shadow to find the perfect standout. And then after I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust it to the top left corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in iPhone PNG, and I'm gonna go ahead and enter so I can search, and then I'm gonna click on images, and I'm gonna go ahead and find an iPhone. It could be any iPhone, just make sure it's PNG transparent. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and I'm gonna save the image to my photos. Then I'm gonna go back to Phonto, and I'm gonna click on the three lines on the top right bottom corner, and then add the picture. And I'm just gonna adjust the size, make it a little bigger, adjust the width and the height, make sure it's correct. And I do want it to be center of my text, which says how to make thumbnail. But it's up to you how you guys want to put it on the left or right, but I'm going to keep mine in the center. So I am going to add like an arrow shape, And then I'm just gonna keep the colors how it is, gray and white text. I think it stands out and looks better, so I'm gonna go ahead and point it to my text, how to make thumbnail, and kind of have it between the degree of the phone and the text. So I do want it to face on that, pointing upwards. And then I'm gonna add a picture of myself, which is already cropped and everything. And then I'm gonna add it to my background. And then of course I'm gonna adjust the size, make it a little bit bigger so it can like blend in with the background and so it can look much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the size and move it a little bit upwards to the left, mostly to the right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and save the image and save it to your camera roll. And save successfully. So there is ads, guys, but you can pay a fee to remove it, but they don't bother me, so I really don't mind. Just hit the box on the top left corner, just hit the X and you should be fine. But yeah, I really love Phonto. That is pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I hope this helps. Hopefully this will make you guys be successful in creating thumbnails, and hopefully the apps that I recommended, hopefully that helps. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.